Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you about how to write the summary of the poem Grandma Climbs a Tree, written by Ruskin Bond. Let's see summary of the poem Grandma Climbs a Tree. Dear students, you have already known this poem is written by Ruskin Bond. His grandmother was a genius because she could climb trees, whether the tree was high or big. She could climb the tree easily even at the age of 62. Ever since childhood, she had this gift. She was happier in a tree than in a lift. As years went by, her well-wishers, family members, and neighbors would tell her that climbing trees should stop when one grew old. But Grandma laughed and said that she would grow disgracefully and she could do it in a better way. There were no trees left in the garden that Grandma hadn't climbed. She learned to climb from a loving brother when she was just 6 years old. Family members feared that one day she'd have a terrible fall. But outcome was different. While they were in town, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. After her rescue, the doctor took Granny's temperature and recommended her to stay in bed for a week. By hearing this, the family members sighed with relief and tucked her up well in the bed. This means that they looked after her and wished that she would stay in bed and be out of trouble. But for Granny, it was like a brief season in hell. Confined to her bedroom, while every breeze whispered of summer and dancing leaves. But she had held her peace till she felt stronger. Then she told her son that she didn't want to lie in bedroom and wanted a house in a treetop. The poet's father knew his duties. He agreed to fulfill his mother's desire at once and made a tree house with windows and a door. So Granny climbed to her room, drank sherry with the poet and upholding a right to reside in a tree.